Are you starting your keto journey but feeling strange symptoms along the way? Don't worry, these are signs your body is entering ketosis. Stick around as we explain what ketosis symptoms are, why they happen, and how to manage them like a pro. Explaining ketosis symptoms. When your body shifts from burning carbs to burning fat for fuel, it produces ketones, a process called ketosis. But this change can bring temporary side effects known as keto symptoms. Let's break them down one by one. First up, the infamous keto flu. You might feel tired, dizzy, or even experience headaches. This happens because your body is flushing out water and electrolytes as it adapts. Solutions for keto flu. To combat the keto flu, stay hydrated and replenish your electrolytes. Add Himalayan salt to your water, enjoy bone broth, or take supplements rich in magnesium and potassium. Bad breath. Keto breath. Next is keto breath, a metallic or fruity odor caused by acetone, a type of ketone released during fat burning. Manage this with sugar-free gum, drinking more water, and maintaining excellent oral hygiene. Increased thirst and frequent urination. You might notice increased thirst and frequent bathroom trips. This happens because glycogen stores in your body release water when depleted. Always keep water handy and sip throughout the day to stay hydrated. Digestive issues. Constipation or diarrhea can also occur due to changes in your fiber intake. Balance your diet with low-carb, fiber-rich veggies like spinach, broccoli, and avocados. Reduced physical performance. Feeling weaker during workouts. That's normal as your body adapts to using fat for energy. Start with lighter exercises and gradually increase intensity as your energy levels stabilize. Sleep disturbances. Some people experience sleep disturbances during the initial phase of ketosis. Try magnesium supplements and create a calming bedtime routine. Final tips to manage ketosis. Symptoms, here's the golden rule. Start slow, stay hydrated, and focus on balance. Give your body time to adjust, and soon you'll be reaping the benefits of a ketogenic lifestyle. Got more questions about keto? Drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more expert tips on living your best keto life.